Namaskar, I am Suresh Kaushal speaking from India on my YouTube channel Navgraha Mantra. Our channel covers our Vedic system, Hindu way of life. We discuss stars, zodiac signs, Hindu zodiac signs, effect of stars on human life as well as on nations. We cover a lot of remedial measures for individuals by way of mantras, by way of yoga, by way of vastu, and use of gems on every aspect of life. Today I am discussing with all my friends regarding a very burning issue which is disturbing all the countries, all 200 nations on planet Earth. One of the most affected countries is the mightiest United States of America. Effect of coronavirus, though it appeared quite early on US horizon, but it was not taken seriously, or perhaps US was overconfident about tackling it successfully, and some mistakes or some administrative lapses resulted into what today US is facing as on this date when I am speaking to you, 20th of April 2020. As per Hindu system, US Independence Date or date of birth is considered to be 4th of July 1776, and very important period is 26 April 2013 to 26 April 2022. Mars is aspecting US. Mars is aspecting US in its horoscope. US is born in Mithuna Lagna, that is in English Gemini Lagna, Gemini ascendant, and Makara Rashi, that is moon sign is Capricorn, Makara Rashi. It's going through very important period of sub-period of Sun in Dasha of Mars from 26 October 2019 to 26 April 2020. So one can safely say US difficulties will stop or start reducing from 26 April 2020. Though some feeble signals are seen from 30th of April when star sun entered its exalted Rashi or sign Aries, that is called Mesha in Hindu system. USA is very powerful country, very explosive stars are governing this horoscope as on 4 July 1776, born in Mithuna Lagna. But one difficulty is felt by the nation is its moon sign, Capricorn, is in the 8th house. 8th house is the house of longevity. Saturn's movement here, it's also Sadesati, 7.5 years period of Saturn, is threatening the very longevity and existence factor of United States of America. But as I told you, 26 April is the date. The next date is 9th of May, where it will be quite under control. And another date is, the last date is 24th of May. Between 24th of May to 1st of August, coronavirus will be seen appearing, troubling people in the United States to a very lesser extent. US will be successful between 18th of June to almost 15th of September to find out a solution by discovering some vaccine, inventing some vaccine, and will start tackling it successfully. The problem is between China and US. If we discuss movement of Saturn in last 60 years in sign Capricorn, where it is right now moving from 23rd of January to 17th January 2023, Similar movements of star Saturn in from 1960 to 63. That time there was Cuba crisis when President Kennedy was the president of the United States. Cuba crisis vis-a-vis Russia, which was with difficulty solved to US satisfaction. Another movement was next movement of Saturn after 30 years was between 1990 to 93. In that period, what happened? Beirut crisis. Iraq attacked Beirut, and there was major war between Iraq and US. UN successfully pushed back Iraq within its borders, but it was threatening world peace at that. And at large, entire Middle East was threatened because all oil production and other major issues are involved, covering US and entire world interest. So that was the second time. And third time is now. In that period, senior George Bush was the president in 1990 to 93. 60 to 63 was President Kennedy. Now is President Trump. No president has seen to regain presidency after Saturn moves away from 63 onwards. Kennedy was not the president. From 90 to 93, Bush was the president, and he was followed by Clinton and other presidents. His son took over perhaps in the first decade of 20th century. So that way it was going on. Current movement of Saturn is not very auspicious for US. Simple reason is, whenever Saturn moved into Capricorn in 1960 to 63 or 90 to 93 or 2020 to 23, the economic cost borne by US is too much. US was hit very badly in earlier periods also. All gains, military gains or economic gains, were simply swept away by movement of Saturn in previous two periods. In the same periods, 60 to 63, China did remarkably well. China attacked India, annexed major chunk of its India's territory. Between 1993, disintegration of Russia started, USSR started, and China started gaining from before end of Cold War started between this period. So Russia was sluggish. US was involved in its own problems after Iraq war. So China started gaining foothold on world stage and started moving very powerfully on it. As far as economic strength is concerned, its military strength is concerned. So now also, if we speak about US versus China, China is going to make a lot of gains out of this coronavirus period up to 2023 January. But US though is having very tough period after 26th April, then 24th and then 9th of May, 24th of May is going to improve. And around 15 August to 15 September will be mostly out of this corona cycle. But up to April 2021, US will be facing a lot of problems on economy, job, employment and other fronts. China will be moving ahead and US will be pushed back to war. But next 5 years movement of Saturn from 23 to 28 is very powerful in US, in which US will regain its hold over economy and other things, push back China, because in previous periods also, from 63 to 68, 9 and from 93 to 99, China was pushed back by US. So movement of Saturn between these two countries up to 2022, China is advantageous position. US losing ground on economic and other fronts. From 2022 to 28, US surpasses China again, pushes China back, China withdraws to itself. That way the world economy is going on. And now I am going to speak about another country, that is France. France, date of birth is 14 July 1999 Born Meen Lagna and Rashi, both are same. May 2019 to 13 October 2022 is a difficult period for France. But this difficulty, once it has started from May 2019 itself. France is likely to come out of this difficulty between 15 May to 15 June. It will start improving. Around, as I told about other countries also, between 15 August to 15 September, France will be out with the problem. But French has been careless, casual in their approach. The price they are paying is very heavy. धन्यवाद, नमस्कार.